Hello everyone, Dr. Ash is here, and today we're gonna do the unboxing on Retatrutide from ZPHC. I'm gonna show you how to do the identification. We're gonna look through the vials and we're gonna mix, and I'm gonna explain how you should mix so you know what dosage you're gonna receive, and overall the packaging and the vial quality. And in the next video I'm gonna explain explicitly about the Retatrutide in detail, how does it work and why now it is so popular, is there any side effect and so on. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And finally, once I did the evaluation of HPLC, I'm gonna share with you the result, which may take 3 weeks or 4 weeks. I'm gonna update you. Before anything, if you have any question, you can contact me through my email, as well as you can support my channel through the PayPal, which help my work. I can produce more products for you. This specific product, I received it free from the ZPHC, so I'm trying to be very transparent about this, but there are so many things I buy from my own pocket, so it will be really, and also the test also come from my own, so it will be very great if you could support my channel. As usual, I do not advocate of taking any kind of steroid and human growth hormone, and if you want to do, please do it at your own risk and discuss with your own doctor. These things can harm you greatly if you are not sure what you're doing to your body and you don't know how to control the side effects. So please be careful. At the same time, understand that we are working and dealing with the black market. What I'm testing today can be totally different from what you're getting tomorrow. And also there are huge number of counterfeit. I already explained about the Indian market and the counterfeit in there. There are some right people, but they're mostly con people there, so you need to be extremely careful. So let's get into it. Retatrutide, call as LY343793 This is an experimental drugs. This is experimental drugs for obesity as well as type 2 diabetes. And the very interesting thing about this specific compound is, unlike other similar product like Ozempic and others, it targeted 3 different receptors. It can target GLP-1, GIP and GCG, which it's bring extra effect, and it make it really stand out when it comes to the losing weight. Although there are some downside like effect on the dopamine, which is to me very concerning, but I will discuss that in the next video. It used as an injectable, so you need to mix it with some kind of back to water or sterilized water before you inject it to your system. It mostly injected around the stomach area with the insulin syringe. So before anything, let's get into it and see how does these vials work and how does the authentication. So as usual, ZPHC had did a great job for this product, and the packaging is extremely good and very convenient, easy to tear, and this part for checking the authentication. I deal with so many different products. Mostly when you do this, you damage the authentication. As you can see, even though I really using force, it's so durable and nice. So let's check if this is a real ZPHC, if it's a real ZPHC product. New validation, agree, yes, congratulations. And the good thing is, if we use this code one more time, it's not gonna show any technically authentication. So it's a one-time usage and it will be expired. That's very good. Now let's get into the product. Let's open it again nicely. There's a good, all right, you can do it better than me. I'm quite, all right, this is the look. This considered as a fantastically made product. Why? There is its own mixed water. I'm not sure this is back to water or injectable sterilized water. I will check later and update you. And these are, each one has the product. So let's open it from here. Yeah, in the black market there is nothing can beat this level of precise production, in my opinion. Okay, let's see. Oh, bacteriostatic water. So it is a bacteriostatic water, and this is the relevantly the retatrutide, and as you can see, all the information has written here, how many milligram and what is the content. It's 4 mg, 4 milligrams. So what is my recommendation when you want to do retatrutide? First of all, I believe so many people taking too much of retatrutide, and it can cause kind of huge drastic change in their system, because this thing is agonist. It can bind to your enzyme receptors, and I personally really be cautious about those product and medicine that deal with your or kind of affect your receptors, because enzyme receptors can change due to overall binding over and over, which I will explain in the next video. So let's look at this. All right, as usual, this is a fantastic vial. This is a high standard pharma grade vial, so I don't need to be worried about the contamination due to breakage of this or any other problem, even leakage from the other side as well. Look at this one. So similarly, this is a smaller version. All right, let's do. It's really up to the person how do they want to make the dosage, but generally for retatrutide I prefer you inject 2 ml, so the dosage control for every time usage will be way easier. If you, for retatrutide, it's okay if you just let it rush in. It's not as fragile as the HGH, so it doesn't cause damage to your product. Retatrutide quite stable molecule, and then you do this, you little bit, and you can leave it for a while, so the foam as well disappear. So unlike HGH, retatrutide will be used at a higher dosage. I will explain the dosage and the way that people slowly tear up the amounts in the next video. But for this, I just want to explain that generally people start with 2 mg, 2 milligram per week. So now that we put 2 ml of Bacto water here, if somebody inject half of this, it means they already receive 2 milligram of the retatrutide. And so that's for this, but I will explain more in detail how the dosaging works in the next video. Overall, the vials and the packaging was quite nice. Let's get back to the video. So at this point, it's only left to do the HPLC work to know if this is a real Retatrutide and what's the quality, which I will upload soon, but I couldn't find any problem with the vial so far, and the description and overall look and clearance of the mixture. So sometimes in some product I see it's become milky. That's a very dangerous and red flag, because it shows whether it has lots of dimer inside or there are some serious impurity. It could be even bacteria. In this case I cannot see any of that. Even when I look at it into the light, it's quite crystal clear. So let's get back. All right, so that was for today, guys. As you could see, I couldn't find any serious problem with any of these vials, and the presentation as well as the quality, and there was no red flag, just I can tell by naked eyes. But I will do the review soon, so please stay tight for that, and please support my channel. Again, I'm explaining retatrutide is something that bind with certain receptors, and that is something you need to really understand and read about it, which I will explain soon. So please stay tight for that. I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe and support my channel for more material. Till next time.